Time makes the wine, and the sweetness of the sound and the sweetness of Te Reo Māori. Let's tune up today, whānau, with the OROPUARE, the open sounds. This is the first of our sounds, OROPUARE, OROKATI, OROKE. Let's go, whānau, tune up. Kia ora koutou, anō e te whānau, and welcome back to our first of a series of videos covering the ABCs of Te Reo Māori, te matatau o Te Reo Māori. Whānau, just quickly, we'll be having a visual, a kinesthetic, hands-on approach where I need you to move. Auditorial, some tutorials, some just focusing on the sound, looking at the letter, focusing on that, on the sounds. There'll be the tuhinga, nice and simple, broken down approach for you to derive and from the sounds to the written context and into the eventual words. Kapai, and then a few sentences. Not too hard, not like a thesis, but the beginning of your thesis, your ability to write and articulate te reo. Then we'll be giving you your PhD, and it's not a post-hole digger, it's your eBOOK, your e-WÄNANGA, with the interactive information, IIEE, interactive information, and PDF downloadable printable document file for you, your family, your friends, and your kura. So let's get into our first one today, the OROPUARE, the open sounds, OROPUARE. E te whānau, let's get started. It's all about sound, so I need you to join in with me. It's all about the oro, just like the instrument, half note, open note, oro, kōrero, ka pai. That's what I need you to do. Whakarongo, titiro, kōrero mai. Oro sounds, OROPUARE, OROPUARE. Ka pai. OROPUARE. Ara, a, e, I, o, u. Join with me, whānau, OROPUARE. OROPUARE. Open sounds, such as ara, breathe. Open. A, e, I, o, u. Ka pai whānau, anō, OROPUARE, OROPUARE. Ara, breathe. A, e, I, o, u. Ka pai e te whānau, we are just going to do the short ones just while we're there. They derive from that long sound, just short ones. Whakarongo, OROPUARE, poto. Ara, a, e, I, o, u. Short. A, e, I, o, u. Tātou. Let's go. A, e, I, o, u. Ka pai, we won't dwell on it, don't overthink of it. From the top, OROPUARE. OROPUARE. With me, breathe. A, e, I, o, u. Ka pai, OROPUARE poto, and we're out of here, and that's it for today. OROPUARE poto, short, a, e, I, o, u. There you go, whānau, practice that. How simple is that? Tune up. After all, if we're not in tune, our words forevermore for our mātauranga are always going to be out of tune. E rongo whakaerea ki runga, kia tina, puie, tai ki e.